Meaning of harmonic.
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 Harmonic. The term harmonic can refer to different meanings depending on the context. In music theory, it describes a sound that is produced by multiple frequencies that are related in a specific way. The harmonics of a sound give it a certain character and richness. In physics, harmonics refer to the components of a wave that have frequencies that are whole number multiples of the fundamental frequency. This can be observed in phenomena such as standing waves and resonance. Overall, the term harmonic refers to a type of relationship between frequencies that can result in interesting and complex patterns.